Uber or taxi?
I am
In Hong Kong, let's say.
in Hong Kong. I would go for Uber.
You go for Uber? Why?
Uber all the way. I think Uber is more convenient. Yeah, you can choose if you want to talk to a person or not. You can let them know, okay, and they're very friendly as well. They're very friendly. Yeah, taxi wale, I have so many bad scenarios with them. जब भी बैठता हूँ शुरू हो जाते हैं क्या शुरू मूड खराब होता है इनका और हम साथ में मेरा भी मूड खराब हो जाता है. Uber वाले तो तभी they'll be like, and they know English too. वो English में बात कर रहे होते हैं. So it's very nice when to sit with them actually. Yeah, so all the way Uber. What do you think? And yeah, I think Uber is just very easy to go, just and just go. And I think it gets cheaper sometimes, especially in the boat traffic hota hai. I think cheaper hota hai. Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, I think with जैसे technology advanced हो चुकी है ना, the main reason is like a lot of जो younger generation है we prefer cashless transactions. ठीक है, और वो लोग they don't provide these options. They prefer cash. I don't carry cash.
I don't.
I rarely. So I prefer online transactions अगर possible है तो. So I think that's a better opinion. So even for me, I prefer. I would any day I would pick Uber over taxi.
Uber man. एक दफा टैक्सी में क्या हुआ था? फिर पार्ट 3 भी चलेगा ये तो मत क्या हुआ था. मैं टैक्सी में बैठ गया था क्योंकि मेरा Uber का काम नहीं कर रहा था ऐप. So I just sat in the taxi and I asked के ऑक्टोपस है आपके पास? उसके पास था मगर उसने मुंह बनाया था. कहते then वो फिर मूड खराब हो गया. फिर मैं उतर गया. फिर मैंने उधर से फिर बस लिया. So yeah, ये हुआ था. So that's why Uber over taxi any day, anytime.
Yeah, and I think I'd like to add on to that. I had an experience. I think even recently यार टैक्सी एक ले ली गलती से. मैं बहुत थका हुआ था उस दिन. मैंने बाइक अब कौन चलाएगा. मैं बैठा तो first thing I noticed is cigarette की smell. टैक्सी से. It was so bad.
It's very bad.
It's very bad. It's so bad. I could not like. मैंने literally वो ऐसे करना पड़ा. मैं उसको कुछ कह भी नहीं सकता था. बुड्ढा था, ग्रम्पी था. मैं क्या कहता उसको?
उल्टा हमारा मूड खराब हो जाता
कि उसने सिगरेट क्यों पिया है गाड़ी में?
तेरे हो गया.
हाँ वो होता है. मेरे से यार उतर जा. नहीं बैठ रहा था. उतर जा.
So yes, Uber over taxi.
Uber definitely Uber over taxi.
Comment down below though. Comment down below.
वो ये